Hi there, Team Bevendine. I really hope you enjoyed your singing assembly with Mr. Sampson. We're now going to do a little cool down, which is very important because it calms down our vocal cords and lets us relax a little bit. So, like we did at the warm-up, when it's my turn, I'm going to point like this, and when it's your turn, I'll point like this. Okay? Let's get started. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye slowly. My turn. Goodbye quickly. Goodbye quickly. Goodbye low. Goodbye low. My turn. Goodbye high. Goodbye high. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye chewing gum. Well done. Let's do it one more time together, okay? Goodbye high. Goodbye high. Goodbye low. Goodbye low. Goodbye quickly. Goodbye quickly. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye chewing gum. Well done. So that's calmed down our vocal cords for this week. I really hope you enjoyed your singing assembly and see you soon.